recording. Goodness, these people just shot a UN reporter. Realistic Omaha invasion. We're gonna go up. I got shot in the head again. I swear this guy's 2 times war crime champ out here. Oh. I'm gonna get out of the line of fire here, boys.
Logan.
Look at this devious scheme out here. The fire from all sides. The terrorist organization stronghold, as we are sure. You got anything you want to say to people back home? Say he is back home. This devious play out here. We'll come in with the UN reporters and we'll talk to everyone entering. Don't y'all shoot me, from the United Nations, and I'm here to be videotaping the war. Videotaping the war on the home. Ah, I hit my head. How's the war going for y'all?
Yo, what's up?
Going terrible. Oh man, I just saw you. Sounds like it's going terrible. As you can see, they've stockpiled a lot of tactical equipment. And they're ready to hold out for weeks, even months. Take a glimpse at the firing lines.
Are they gonna charge or what? No, they're not.
Their devious tactics, playing mind tricks on all those who would wish to attack. I'll take a quick seat. Oh crap, I fell into that. And I'll talk to these individuals. Anybody want to do an interview? How are you feeling? Anything you want to say to people back home?
It's cold.
It's cold? Oh, and we're taking fire. Taking fire from where? We don't know where we're taking fire from yet.
I think he's off to the left side.
Probably a sniper from 4 kilometers out, don't you think? He says doubt it. All they're doing is sitting here waiting for airstrikes to come in and uproot their location. The attackers are known to have airsoft explosive devices, AEDs, and seem to be less than willing to use them. Hey, indirect fire, man. I'm gonna go back down and see what I can get from interviews from these seemingly more well-equipped, well-trained forces down below. Ow. Watch your head when you're coming down. As you can see, their building is a vast maze of deadly trenches and traps. Why? Alright, Dylan, come over here. Hey, you still got that grenade? That's my helmet. You still got that grenade?
No, I accidentally dropped it.
Where?
Right here.
Alright, I'll go load it for you.
You gotta do that.
Where? Where is it?
Right here.
Okay, boys, I've been hired. I'm getting the hourly wage in in Nam, which is no money at all. Well, set the camera up while I do a bit of war processing. The heck did you put it? Oh, it's over here. Okay.
I gotta show you how to undo it.
Okay, let's see. We're gonna learn how to run a rebel explosive device today.
Fill that out. When you're done,
Ooh.
call me.
Okay. Boys, I think I've been hired by the terrorist force. They have much more ammunition out here, so it seems to be of lower Russian quality. Okay, boys, I just finished filling up my first ever IED. It's pretty exciting. I'm gonna load this and uh-oh. We put the pin in. This is how the factory makes them. And bada bing, bada boom. That's your DIY 5-minute life hacks on how to build an explosive device. Then you give them off to very liable people. Cool tips and tricks. Look at this. They hang the bodies of their enemies on rusty, unusable metal wells. I would go back inside, but I feel like there would be a lot of crossfire. We'll go back out and we will talk to... Oh, goodness. There's a move being made. Tom Brady rolls out wide. And no answer. To increase productivity, apparently the terrorist... Oh my goodness, terrorist just killed himself! I think that counts. That's an out. I just got shot again. Did you not just kill yourself? Did you? The terrorist is maimed after a recent near-death experience when he dropped his explosive device at his feet. I'm sure he'll have to he'll have a few days of sick leave after this. So this is what an exploded improvised explosive device looks like, or AED. Then to put it back together, you're gonna want to take... Uh-oh, there's a lot of combat going on right now, and it's a bit of pressure. You can't let the pressure get you. That's the first point. That's the first point. I'll fold these in and go click. Click, clack, clock. I have a Glock. Okay, I'm going to sign off for this recording. I'll be back after I put this together.